Traditional SEO, you're trying to be the best answer on a single page. So who's the best agent in Broadbeach Waters? Who is the closest real estate agent to somewhere if you're thinking about local SEO? And now that AI overviews have come into play, now you're trying to be a trusted source that the AI will reference to build an answer to a question. And that is quite a big shift. So these AI overviews that we're seeing at the top of Google now, they are looking for multiple high quality, trustworthy sources to be able to synthesize an answer rather than just looking for the one answer. So they're actually sort of going out and looking at different pieces of information, different profiles on you. So I'm going to break that down now. Search behaviour is changing and people are going to ChatGPT to ask about dog training or what to cook for dinner or whatever. These queries are much more granular than they ever used to be. And so, like you can picture yourself asking something like, I need to sell my current house to buy a new one, but I'm worried about timing. What's the best way to handle financing and logistics so I don't get stuck paying, like you can imagine somebody actually asking this. Whereas before, the long tail was, how do I get bridging finance? Google's foundation for SEO has always been this acronym called EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. What Google's looking for is that you've got experience, or they're looking for lived experience, and this is why some of the chatbots now will always reference Reddit, because they're looking for reviews from consumers. This is why Google reviews are so important, why Facebook reviews are so important, and it's literally, about those small little trust signals that come from, different places around the internet. Is the website a recognised authority in the industry? That's where brand reputation can play a huge role in how long you've had your website for, and is the information reliable? The content sweet spot has shifted slightly. The AI is trying to find a direct answer to a specific question. It's almost like your user's got to match that intent. So this is the thing, like they can only find you if there's content out there about you.